Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to show your headline on the LinkedIn app for PC with the latest update. If you've been wondering where the option is or how to make sure your headline appears the way you want, don't worry. This is a simple fix, and I'll guide you step by step. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once the app is running, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me icon with your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. Next, from the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This will open up your profile page where you can see all your information displayed just as others would see it. Once you're on your profile, find the section near the top labeled Public Profile and URL. To the right of that, you'll notice a small edit icon that looks like a pencil. Click on that icon, and you'll enter the editing settings for your public profile. Inside this section, you'll see several options for controlling what parts of your profile are visible to others. Look for the option labeled Headline. By default, this setting may be disabled, which is why your headline might not be showing up for others. To fix that, click on the toggle or checkbox to enable it. Once enabled, your headline will become visible on your public profile. After making the change, take a moment to preview your profile to confirm that your headline now appears. This headline is a key part of your LinkedIn presence because it highlights who you are and what you do right at the top of your page, making it easier for recruiters, colleagues, or potential partners to immediately understand your role or expertise. That's all you need to do. With just a few quick clicks, opening the app, heading to your profile, selecting the edit icon, and enabling the headline, you'll ensure your profile stands out even more. If you've been looking for a simple way to make your LinkedIn profile look complete and professional, this update is worth taking advantage of.